Hello student, in this our lecture we will see how to determine the molecular weight by using elevation in boiling point equation. So let us see before that definition of Ke. It is defined as an elevation in a boiling point when 1 mole of solute is added to the 1 kg of solvent. Ke is given by formula RT0 square upon LV into 1000. Putting the all values of constant, we get final values, that is 0.512 kg per mole. Now we have last equation of elevation boiling point, that is delta TE is equal to RT0 square into M upon LV into 1000. But RT0 square upon LV into 1000 is a constant called as Ke. Therefore, delta Te is equal to M into Ke, where Ke is a ebullioscopic constant or molar elevation constant. Now the determination of molecular weight from the boiling point equation. We have delta Te is equal to M into Ke. Ke ebullioscopic constant or molar elevation constant. Now putting the value of M in above equation, we get delta Te is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000. Rearranging above equation, so M2 goes to the left hand side and delta Te come to the right hand side in a denominator. We get M2 is equal to Ke into W2 into 1000 divided by delta Te into W1. Thus, by knowing value of Ke, W2 and W1, we can easily determine the molecular weight of solute. Now we will solve the numericals. Before that, just see M2 represent, W2 represent weight of solute, W1 represent weight of solvent, M2 represent molecular weight of solute. Elevation in boiling point is delta Te. Ke is a molar elevation constant. Now by using this we can solve the numericals based upon elevation and depression in freezing point. First sum, a solution containing 0.45 gram of urea having molecular weight 60 in 22.5 gram of water gave a boiling point elevation of 0.170 Kelvin. Calculate the molar elevation constant of water. So here, before writing the solution, every time student first write down the given data. So weight of solute W2 is a weight of urea 0.45 gram. Weight of solvent W1, so it is a 22.5 gram of water. Molecular weight of solute, that is a 60. Again, elevation in a boiling point, delta T is given, that is 0.170 Kelvin. The molar elevation constant we have to calculate, that is a Ke. Thus we have the equation, our equation, that is the delta T is equal to M into Ke. Now putting the value of molality in above equation, we get Ke is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000. Rearranging above equation to calculate the Ke. So Ke is equal to delta T into M2 into W1 divided by W2 into 1000. Now putting all the values, 60 into 22.5 into 0.170 divided by 0.45 into 1000, we get answer that is K is equal to 0.510 kg per mole. Thus, molar elevation constant of a water is 0.510 kg per mole. Second numerical, a solution containing 0.514 gram of solute in 150 gram of ethanol was found to boil at 351.34 Kelvin. If boiling point of ethanol is 351.3 Kelvin and its molar elevation constant is 1.13, calculate the molecular weight of solute. So first write down the given data. So here weight of solute, again the weight of solvent is given. Therefore weight of solute W2 is equal to 0.154 gram. Weight of solvent W2 is 150 gram. The molar elevation constant Ke is given, that is 1.19 kg per mole. Boiling point of solution is given, that is 351.34 Kelvin. Boiling point of pure solvent T0 is also given, 351.3. So we can easily calculate the delta TE. Delta TE is equal to T minus T0. Make one correction, student. Here small delta T is given, the T is always capital. It is a print typing mistake. Now make the subtraction. 351.34 minus 351.3. We get answer 0.04 Kelvin. Now we have to calculate the molecular weight of solute, that is M2. Thus we have our equation, that is delta T is equal to M into Ke. Putting the value of M molality in our formula, M is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000. Putting this equation 2 in equation 1, we get delta T is equal to W2 upon M2 upon W1 into 1000 into Ke. Now rearranging the equation. So M2 goes to the left hand side, delta T come to the right hand side. We get M2 is equal to Ke into W2 into 1000 divided by delta T into W1. Putting all the values that are given, the values of Ke is 1.19 into 0.152 weight of solute into 1000 divided by delta T, that is 0.04 into 150. Molecular weight of solute M2 is equal to 101.54. Thus we have calculated the molecular weight of solute. Thus the molecular weight of solute is 101.54. So in this way we can calculate the molecular weight. Next, a solution containing 0.62 gram of unknown solute in 50 gram of carbon tetrachloride gave a boiling point elevation of 0.65 Kelvin. If molar elevation constant of a carbon tetrachloride is 5.02 kg per mole, calculate the molecular weight of solutes. So again, first student write down the given data. Given data, first weight of solute W2 is given 0.62 gram in weight of solvent W1, that is a 50 gram. Elevation in a boiling point is given, that is delta T is equal to 0.65. Again the value of Ke, molar elevation constant 5.03 kg per mole is given. We have to calculate the M2, that is the molecular weight of solute. Thus again we have our equation, delta T is equal to Ke into M, where M is a molality and is given by the formula M is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000, equation number 2. Putting value of equation 2 in a 1, we get delta T is equal to Ke into W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000. Rearranging above equation, so M2 goes to the left hand side. Again M2 is equal to KE into W2 into 1000 divided by delta T into W1. Putting all the values given, we get our answer, that is 95.77. Thus molecular weight of a solute is, that is M2 is equal to 95.77. So student, I hope in this our lecture you will get how to calculate the molecular weight by using elevation in boiling point equation. For a next video, please follow the next link. Thank you.